So, a wild one today. Researchers found a flaw in WhatsApp's API. It let them bulk check phone numbers. It let them map who's on the platform. We're talking billions of entries confirmed, not by hacking accounts, by automating "is this number on WhatsApp" checks. Here's the simple version. WhatsApp must tell your phone if a contact is on the app. Presence checks live in their APIs. Researchers fed huge lists of numbers. They cycled country codes. They got yes/no responses. They got profile metadata. Do that fast across many IPs. You enumerate the world. Meta was notified. Rate limits and abuse detection are being rolled out. Lesson: if an app lets you check existence, someone will scale it. Do this now. Lockdown visibility. Last seen in online. Nobody or my contacts. Profile photo. My contacts. About. Nobody or my contacts. Turn off read receipts if you don't need them. Groups. My contacts. Except so randoms can't drop you into spam groups. Turn on two-step verification. Settings. Account. Two-step verification. Add a PIN and an email. That stops SIM swap or code harvest attacks from taking over your account. Scrub who can find your number. Remove it from public websites. Remove it from old resumes. Remove it from social bios. Use a separate number for marketplaces. Use a separate number for job posts. Use a separate number for newsletters. Be photo smart. If your profile photo shows your face, workplace, or kids, set it to my contacts. Swap to a generic image if you're getting unknown messages. Filter unknowns. Silence unknown callers in your phone OS. On WhatsApp, don't tap links from numbers you don't recognize. One reply confirms you're active and valuable to spammers. For businesses and devs using WhatsApp APIs, implement strict rate limiting and anomaly detection on your entry points. Add IP reputation checks, rotating keys, and CAPTCHA where it makes sense. Monitor for high-velocity sequence patterns, e.g., +1 201 555 0,000 99999. That's enumeration. Block it. Watch your number on data brokers. Consider opt-out services or manual removals. Your phone number is basically a username you can't change easily. Split identities. Private number for real life. Secondary for public stuff. Bottom line, this wasn't about reading messages. It was mapping who exists and exposing metadata at scale that powers spam, phishing, and targeted scams. Take 5 minutes, do the settings I mentioned, and you'll make yourself a much harder target. Stay safe, lock it down, and I'll see you in the next one.